Banyas nok tilang bat ke Indian National Congress ke Madhya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ke lapulong ke jung persya ke bajarjar ne ke singi ha Congress Bhawan ke bahag ne ke nong ba na ke bentaban penamjur halor ke jung syaweng unong ilam Rahul Gandhi kumudkot ke parlimen. Ya kan ke jung persya la ilam da unong ilam ke MPCC uba Vincent H Pala. Ha ke jung ilang ke ni ke seng ke layam jengmut lang kumno ban penklan ya ke seng na ke benta ke election Lok Sabha ke ban Long House Nam Ban 1.
Very confident of retaining the Shillong seat. We have our MP here, Honorable President, who is also DMP. We are very 100% sure that we will retain the seat because I think you look at the other two states election, Himachal Pradesh and Karnataka, where the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the President of the BJP spent weeks, months to campaign, but we were defeated because we could not take the voice of the people for granted. We cannot take the people for granted. So we are very certain that even in the country